How to use DoorDash pickup option. DoorDash pickup option allow user to order ahead, skip delivery fee and bypass service charge by collecting food directly from the restaurant. All you need is just open up your DoorDash app on your device, and you just want to make sure to first of all go to the profile initial to the top right corner, then go to settings from the list. As you go to settings, you will be able to find all these options. So what you want to do is you could simply go ahead and actually you can find it in the home page as well. So over here you could see at the top of the tab you will be able to find pickup. If you cannot find one, what you need is simply start adding the product to your cart, and you could just start go ahead. You could select deliver, or you could just select pickup. So when you do that, you just want to make sure to go and enable certain permissions, and that's how you will be able to use DoorDash pickup options. Or you could also see pickup right at the top. You could select this and you could just go ahead and make sure to enable the location, and that's how you will be able to use DoorDash pickup options. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.